Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn fetch a purchase order by ID. So in the previous one we are going to fetch all the list of the purchase order. Now we are going to get it by only ID. So this is the for that one. Let's copy and paste it over here. Okay, so this is the code for that one, purchase order by ID. So here we have the get request and we have to pass the ID over here. Okay, so how to get this ID? Let's go to the purchase order. On the top of it, this is the ID. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Otherwise, for the listing also you can get the order ID or this one. So here you can see that we have already there. Let me check where it is. Here you can see that the 808, and let's see what it is, like 806 it is there. So 806, let's, this is the ID, right? So let's copy and paste it and use it. Let's save that and let's run this. Okay, so here we go with this, and invalid token because of the .com. Let's put it like in. Okay, let's run it, and here we have the details for description purchase. So this is how we are going to get it by ID also. Okay, so here you can see the object is there. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. Just pass the ID over here, you are going to get the purchase orders by ID. Thank you so much.